Hello friends, welcome to Tallyverse. Today I'm going to show you how we can write a TDL for save the PDF as soon as we save the voucher or sales invoice in the Tally. So let's get started. So basically I have already written the code for it. It's a very small piece of code where I have splitted in this. Like first I've added one configuration in the company settings, F11 settings of the company. Have added one option like set the path. Like we will need a path to save the PDF file as soon as we hit the voucher save, right? And here it will get stored on this path. Then on the voucher form, I have added on accept unchecked if it is sale. So currently I have enabled this only for the sales invoice. If you want, you can check like the condition separate, or if you want to uh, apply this for all vouchers, you can just put yes instead of this condition, and I'm calling this function as soon as the voucher will get saved, the save invoice as PDF. So basically what this function contains is like, first it will ask you to, you want to export the PDF. Once you will hit the yes, then there are some requirements to save the PDF like SV export format. This is the standard variable we are setting as a PDF, so we have to set it like sys name colon PDF. Then we are written here the local formula to create a file name and save it. So basically, if you see in the configuration, we added this UDF. We are accessing it like PDF export details colon company SV current company, then added this slash, then party ledger name underscore voucher number. So whenever the dot PDF, so when the file will get created or exported, it will have this format like the path we have given in the company setting, party ledger name underscore voucher number dot pdf. So we are creating the full path of the file along with the file name here. The log is like just to check if file name is getting concatenated properly. Then again, as we print file name variable, we have to give this formula which we created here. Then the width and height, generally this requires in the HTML type of exports, here not required. So sorry. So there is also one more variable we have to set, print to file. Then as we open file after export, so this variable, if we set this variable as yes, then as soon as the file has been exported, it will ask us to open the file, or automatically it will open. So finally here we are writing the export statement, which is like export report printed invoice yes. So whatever the invoice format we can see while printing, that format will get export on this particular path, and finally the if condition has been closed. So this is very small and simple function. Now like you see here, the UDF is nothing but a custom field we added like to store the path that we use here. So I have created a separate section for it. Okay, so this is the code I explain here. Now let's go to the Tally and test it. As you all are already aware that how we can attach the TDL, like we have to go into the help menu, add-ons, and after F4 we have to give the path here. So my save pdf.txt is already loaded. Now as I said, we have to set the path for the export. So I press F11. Now you see here set PDF export path which we have given here in this code. So if I press yes here, so it will show us a new field like where we have to give the path. Don't forget to put a slash end of this path. Okay, so this backslash is very important. So let's say I added this path here, I saved this, and now it's time to check the actual voucher. So now let's say I'm going to the vouchers, sales, and this is the party name which I'm selecting, Karthik Patil. Okay, so now I will create one invoice. Sales ledger, tally prime single user will be a product, two quantities, 22,000 will be a rate. Now I'm going to save this voucher. So save PDF test. I'll put in the narration. Now when we accept it, now as we added the confirmation box in a code, do you want to export PDF? Press yes. It has been exported. Now if I go to the path which we have given, you see the voucher number 3 was there which we created recently in tally. So this is our voucher, two quantity 22,000, total amount is 44,000. So as we expected, the file is exported, party ledger name, voucher number.pdf. Now let's open and check if it has been exported correctly. See, so this is the voucher, quantity 2, 44. This is the stock item name. The voucher has been exported successfully. So this is how we can export each and every invoice on a specified path. So I hope you find this video informative and helpful. I'm going to share a TCP link in the description from where you can download it and you can use it. So it will be a free TCP. There will be no restriction, right? If you find this helpful, please subscribe this channel and help me to put more and more interesting and the actual business requirement implementation and to share with you guys. Yeah.